Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, IT Samurai Teacher. My name is Shihabdul. Today, we are diving into the world of Raspberry Pi system information. Understanding how your Raspberry Pi is performing can be super helpful for optimizing project or troubleshooting issues. Let's jump in right and see what kind of valuable data we can get from the terminal. First, let's check out the memory. Type in cat proc mem info. You get a bunch of stuff in here. So this gives you a whole bunch of information about the different types of memory on your Raspberry Pi. Total, free, use, buffers, cache, and more. It's a little overwhelming, I know, but we'll focus on the two key lines: memory total and memory available. Okay, now memory total tells you the total amount of RAM you have, and memory available is what actually ready for use right now. Next, let's check how your storage divided. Type cat proc partitions. Okay, so this lists all the partitions on your SD card or hard drive along with their size. If you're not familiar with the partitions, think of them like separate rooms in a house for storing different things. Now let's check the Raspberry Pi's version. This is especially useful if you're following tutorials or guides. So older version might have a different commands or features. So now let's see cat proc version. Oops, cat proc version. The output show you the operating system version. Okay, next command. Want to know how much space left on your drive? Use df -h command. You can get a nice overview of all the partitions in human readable format, or you can use df/ to focus just on your root file system, like size, use, and available columns tell you all the stories, so you can get a good view on this command. Next, what do you want to see? What software installed on your Raspberry Pi? So I'm going to type dpkg get selections. So you will get everything, list all. So now it's because it's too much, you have a lot of things installed. So if you're looking for a specific package like those related to RDP, you can add it like this. You can type the dpkg get selections grep xrdp, like that. So then you can narrow it down, okay, what kind of packages you installed. So this helps you which RDP related software is currently on your Raspberry Pi. Okay, next one, I'm going to clear this. Let's quickly check free memory again using free. So the free command shows similar information to cat proc memory info, which we entered recently, but in a simple format. Look at the available memory column for your current free memory. So this is also a good quick tool to see your free memory. Next, clear this. Next, we're going to do finding your Raspberry Pi's IP address is essential for remote access or networking. So what you need to do, you host name type I. So this is how you get your IP address very quickly. Even you can do ifconfig, but if you are very complicated this situation, you can use only host name and I. You can get the IP address very quickly and show to anyone you like, right? So this instantly display your IP address, which you need to for SSH or other remote tools. Now next one, I'm going to clear this first. Now let's see. I connect a bunch of USB devices to my Raspberry Pi. So how are you going to reveal all of them? LSUSB. Now you will see how many devices connected to my Raspberry Pi. I actually connected some mouse, keyboard, and monitor cable and power cable. So you can get some information in here. What are those? You can do your own research and find out. See, Amazon Basic mouse, keyboard. You can get a clear view in here. And next, what we need to do here is we're going to type before that, so LSUSB, this is helpful for identifying devices and troubleshooting connection issues. So if you have any connection issues, probably you can use this command and find any related connection issues and troubleshoot. Okay, we are almost done. I'm going to show you. So the up arrow and down arrow, you can get your last commands. Okay, that's a basic one. Use your up arrow and down arrow. The other one is temperature. I'm going to type VCGENCMD measure temp. So you can check your Raspberry Pi CPU temperature and memory split. So I'm going to use a command VCGENCMD measure. Actually, I did that. I'm going to use get mem arm, and I'm going to use VCGENCMD get mem GPU. So these two commands show how the memory is split between the CPU and GPU. So this is handy if you are doing graphics heavy work. That's it for today's dive into the Raspberry Pi system information. Remember, understanding these basic commands empowers you to keep your Raspberry Pi running smoothly and tackle more advanced projects. If you have any questions or other comments if you like to see explained, drop me a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy buying.